Okay, so pure substances can further classified into two groups. One is element, another one is compound. Okay, and element can be further classified into two groups, that is atomic or molecular. So I given task, I given O2. Many of them has written as it is compound. It is not a compound, it is an element. Why it is element? It is a diatomic element. You can see here elements can be further classified into two groups. One is atomic group and one molecular group. Sometimes if atoms exist independently, then we can say this like neon. The atomic number of neon, how much it is? Who is
10.
joining with this name? Every time I'm telling enter with your own name, just only let them join first. Who just joined with the name? What is the name here? If you have not entered with your name, you just rename yourself. There is an option to rename yourself. Okay, let us understand. Element further can be classified into atomic and molecular form. At atomic forms, some elements exist independently, like noble gases. Noble gases means like neon, argon. These are called as noble gases. Neon, argon, krypton. These are noble gases. They exist independently in atomic form. So these are called atomic elements, and some exist in molecular form, like oxygen exist in O2 form. N2, all the gases exist in molecular form. Okay, so we can say the elements further can be classified into atomic and molecular form. As you can see in this diagram, neon molecules exist independently. This is atomic form. Okay, what is the atomic number of neon?
N.
10. 10.
10.
Gen. And what is the symbol?
10.
What is the symbol of neon?
N.
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 Ne.
Ne. Yes, very good. It is Ne. Okay, so neon, which atomic number is 10 and its symbol is Ne. Somebody told N. N is the symbol of nitrogen, not neon. Okay, so we can see here that it is available. It exists in its atomic form, individual. Okay, but some gases, especially some gases are always exist in diatomic form. Diatomic means they exist in molecular form. You can see here, what do you mean by molecule? So when two atoms combine chemically and join together, called as molecule. Can you see this picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Ma'am.
What is the difference in atoms and molecular form?
Atom is single molecule is combined with another molecule.
Molecules are combined.
They combine with, means O combined with O only, not with other. If it will combine with other element, it is called as compound. But if O combines with O, then it is called as molecule. If two oxygen combine, then it is called as molecular form of element. Okay, it will be an element only. It will not be a compound. Okay, so it exists in the form of O2. So this is the structure. Now let us see. Elements exist in atomic and molecular form. Which element exists in atomic form, like noble gases, which generally exist in atomic form, but some elements exist in molecular form, means that are diatomic gases, like oxygen, like nitrogen. These are diatomic, means they combine with each other with similar atom only. They combine with similar atom and form molecule. Okay, another is compound that we have to study today. Compound, what do you mean by compound? Compound are of two types. One is molecular compound, another one is ionic compound. You can see these two diagrams. Before to show these diagrams, just quick revision. I'll ask few questions to just revise yourself whether you are aware what we studied earlier or not. Yes, Hemalata. Hemalata, define matter.
Ma'am,
What do you mean by matter?
anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter.
Is called as matter. Okay, Harsha AC. Harsha AC.
Yes, ma'am.
Matter can be further classified into two parts as we have studied. What are these two? Those who know the answer can raise the hand.
Ma'am, it is
Yes, Hita TD. Hita TD.
Ma'am, pure substance and impure substance.
Yes, very good, Hita. It is pure. We are not talking about the physical states. Okay, we are talking now about the chemical. So I told the matter can be further classified in pure substances and mixture. Yes. Who will define pure substances? Raise your hand. Raise your hand fast. What do you mean by pure substances?
Pure substance consists of only one kind.
Only one kind of atoms or okay, one kind of particle. Okay, very good.
A chemical substance is a form of matter having constant chemical compositions and characteristic properties.
Okay. Okay, and pure substances further can be classified, that we studied pure substances further classified into two groups, that is elements and compounds. Elements we have done in our last class. So we will continue with the compound. Okay. Everybody has memorized up to 20 atomic number.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
I'll ask by name. You have to just continue from 1 to 20. Okay, fast. Be fast. Listen your name. Get ready with, and don't see in your textbook or anywhere else. Okay. Okay. Start from 1. Starting from 1. Rayan R. Atomic number 1. Speak the name of the element and symbol.
Hydrogen H1.
Very good. Yashashvi. Number 2.
Helium He2.
Very good. Yashas. Okay, Vidya Prerna.
yes, ma'am.
Number 3.
Lithium Li.
Very good. Okay. Varshita. Okay. Suhanur. Suhanur.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 4. Tell the name of element and its symbol.
Ma'am, boron 4.
Number 4. Number 4. It is not boron.
Ma'am, may I say, ma'am?
Ma'am, shall I say, ma'am?
Ma'am, shall I say, ma'am?
Okay, Dhanyata.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, beryllium.
Symbol.
Ma'am, Be.
Very good. Now, Priya P. Priya P, number 5.
Boron.
Symbol.
B.
Very good. Mukta, number 6.
Ma'am, carbon C.
Carbon C. Very good. Chetan, 7.
Nitrogen N.
Nitrogen N. Very good. Ranya, atomic number 8.
Oxygen O.
Very good. Nischita, atomic number 9.
Ma'am, fluorine F.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ananya,
Yes, ma'am.
number 10.
Ma'am, shall I tell, ma'am?
Why you didn't memorize?
Ma'am,
Only few are raising the hand and only few children are speaking.
10. Ma'am, neon 10.
Okay. Now, Bilal, 11.
Ma'am, sodium Na.
Very good. Nayana, 12.
Magnesium Mg, 12 atomic number.
Okay. 13. Sandesh.
Aluminium.
Symbol?
Al.
Al. Mariam Farzana, 14.
Ma'am, silicon Si.
Okay. Divya Shri TR, 15.
Ma'am, phosphorus P.
Ghanvi, 16. Ghanvi, 16. Atomic number 16. Who is that? Ananya, mute yourself. Okay. Deepti,
Yes, ma'am.
17.
Chlorine Cl.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hoyshala,
Yes,
18.
ma'am.
18.
Argon Ar.
Kirti, 19. Gautam, 19.
Potassium K.
Okay. Nischal, 20. Mohammad Khaja, 20.
Ma'am, calcium C.
C, not C, Ca.
Ma'am,
Ca.
C.
Okay. Now, in one breath, who will speak from 1 to 20? Only name. No need to tell the atomic number and symbol. Just speak the name like hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, like this. Okay. Who will speak?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
me.
will say.
Ma'am, I will speak.
Ma'am, may I say, ma'am?
I will say, ma'am.
Ma'am,
will say.
may I say, ma'am?
Ma'am, I will say, ma'am.
Okay. Who sent the homework?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I will send, ma'am.
ma'am, I have sent.
I have.
Okay. Vidya Prerna, you speak from 1 to 20 fast.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium.
Very good. Mute yourself. Now, Ranya,
You, ma'am.
1 to 20 fast.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and calcium.
Very good. Nishchita, 1 to 20.
hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium.
Very good. Bilal, 1 to 20.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium.
Very good. Very fast, Bilal. Okay. Harsha, AC.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and
Calcium. Okay. Ananya.
Yes, ma'am. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium.
Scandium, vanadium. Okay. Okay.
Scandium,
Up to only 1 to 20, up to 20 only. Up to 20, because those who has not memorized, they at least you try to listen and try to memorize right now. Okay. Because up to 20 you should memorize by heart. Okay. Munazir, you didn't send the homework. Where is your homework, Munazir?
Ma'am, I sent it, ma'am.
Okay, then speak. 1 to 20.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium.
Okay, very good. So maximum student had memorized. Those who has not memorized, for them I'll take one surprise test, and those who are not sending the homework, for them also I'll call and I'll ask the parents. In front of parents, you have to answer these 20 elements. Okay, now you can lower down your hands. Let us continue with the compound, today's topic. Okay, randomly I'll ask anytime. Okay, then atomic number I'll ask, you have to speak the name of the element. Okay, but let us continue with the compound, today's topic. Compound can be classified further into the form of molecular compound or ionic compound. Okay, these are two kinds of compound that we have to study. And as you can see the example of compound, molecular compound, that is called as H2O. One example, it is H2O, and the ionic compound, that is NaCl. Let us understand with some example. Children, compounds, what do you mean by compounds? Do you have any idea?
Made up
This combination of two or more molecules or
substance that made up of two or more substance made up of two or more elements.
is the combination of two or more.
Yes, very good. So
The
basically a compound is a pure substance. What is? It is a pure substance that you can relate from here. So it is a pure substance composed of two or more elements which combine chemically in definite proportion by mass. Okay, definite proportion is very important. Definite proportion. If it will combine with any proportion, it not be a compound. So if you will change the proportion, it will be some other compound like H2O. Here definite proportion by mass is 1:8. So this proportion is very important. So when all the compounds are made of different types of atoms combined chemically to form molecules. Okay, to form molecules. Hence the smallest unit of compound is called as molecule. Is what is the smallest unit of compound, smallest unit of compound. Like you can see, this is the molecular form of compound. This is called as the molecule of a compound. H2O is called as a molecule of a compound. You can see here example of sodium chloride. Okay, sodium chloride. Which elements are present here in sodium chloride?
Sodium and chlorine.
Sodium and chlorine. Okay, these two compounds are here and they mix together chemically and form sodium chloride. Okay, and in this sodium chloride, what is the ratio? What do you mean by ratio? So for the ratio, you should know its atomic weight. First, if you will know the atomic weight, then only you will find out the ratio by mass. Like in hydrogen, we know the weight of hydrogen, how much it is? Hydrogen atomic number is 1. 0. Okay, so its mass is 1.008. So we can, because 008 is negligible, so if we will take in a number, we can take it as it is 1. Okay, so 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2 because 2 hydrogen is present here. Is it? Okay, and ratio of oxygen. Oxygen, what is the atomic number of oxygen? 8.
Yes, ma'am.
And the molecular
Yes,
weight,
ma'am.
its mass number is 16. The mass number of oxygen is 16. Most of the elements having double of its atomic number. The mass number is, most of the elements, it's double from the atomic number. Okay, like in oxygen, you can say an atomic number is 8 and the mass number is 16. So we can take here 16. So the ratio will be 2:16. If you will find in simplest form, then we will get 1:8. Okay. Did you understand how we brought this 1:8? Because
Yes,
2 multiplied by 1. The mass of one hydrogen is 1. 1:2. So 2, and the mass of one molecule of oxygen is 16. So we have taken 2:16, and after the simplification, we got 1:8. So the ratio by mass in water is 1:8. If you will combine hydrogen and oxygen by weight 1:8, then only water will form. Okay. Now, same in, take another one example, that is sodium chloride. In sodium chloride, the atomic number of sodium is how much?
11.
11. And chlorine?
17.
17. And mass number, sometimes it is double, sometimes it is more than 1 from double. Okay, so mass number of sodium is 23. 23. Okay, and the mass number of chlorine is 35.5. In random, we will take only 35. Okay, take a some negligible value we are leaving here to make easier our calculation. So the ratio will be 23:35. The ratio by mass is 23:35 in sodium chloride, because these all both are we can't simplify further because 23 is an odd number, even number, so we can't simplify. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, you can write 35.5 if you want to take the value of, if you want to take the value of after decimal, then you can write the ratio 23:35.5. Okay, so this is the ratio of sodium chloride by mass, NaCl. So if the sodium and chlorine combines chemically in the ratio of 23:35.5, then only sodium chloride will form. Okay, if you will change the ratio, then you will find some other compound. Did you understand till here?
Yes, ma'am.
So the proportion is very important. Why I'm telling this one? Because proportion is very important. If you will mix anything in any composition, that will be called as mixture. That we will study later. But compound, very important is the ratio. You have to mix in a fixed ratio, then only you will get the compound, that particular compound. Okay, now come to the characteristics of compound. What is the characteristics of compound? So, who is speaking? Mallikarjun CJ. Mute yourself. Okay, children. So only 7 minutes left. So I'm ending this session and you have to rejoin with the same link. Don't go anywhere. Rejoin with the same link because we can't finish the characteristic in same class. So I'm ending this session. Just rejoin with the same link. Okay.